Download failed, cannot download. Please ask that it be resent to you on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how you can solve download failed on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're trying to download a certain media that someone has sent you on WhatsApp, but it says download failed. Now this could be due to a couple of reasons. Now it says please ask that it be resent to you. First of all, you just want to try that, so you can just try asking the other person to send it again, because sometimes they could have sent it, but before it got sent they deleted it from the device. That's why it did not get sent completely. So that is the thing that it could happen. The other thing you can try to check is your internet connection. So make sure you have a strong and reliable internet connection. You can also restart your device by pressing the power button and hitting the restart button there. Next up, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to your Play Store or App Store and check if the WhatsApp app has an update available. Then you can also try to switch your internet connection. Make sure you have got plenty of storage on your device. Sometimes the lack of storage could be one of the reasons why you're not being able to download anything to your phone. So you want to make sure you have plenty of storage left. You can also clear the cache files. Now I don't want to recommend you to clear the data unless it doesn't work at all. That is the last resort. That's going to delete all your chat history. Come to the app info page and go to storage and make sure to clear the cache. If you clear the data, you will be logged out. So if you haven't backed up your chats, you won't be able to restore them later. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.